Hi guys, it's Exquisite Black Rose, and today I'm doing this beautiful look that I call 50 Shades of Grey. This is the look and this is how it would be once we're finished, so if you like it, stay tuned. So right now I've already done my eyebrows and I put some tape there to kind of help with me not going over. And right now I'm just taking some concealer and I'm just putting it on my lid so that I can have a foundation for my eyeshadow. And right here, I'm going in with this gray color. I do not know what the name of this palette is. It's one of those little gift sets that I got for Christmas. I have no idea. But you can use any type of dark gray or light gray color that you want of any brand. And I'm just putting it at the top because that's going to be my transition color. So now I'm going in with my Revolution London palette, and I'm going to go in with this black shade right here at the bottom, and that is going to be the color that I use to shade in these areas. It's pretty self-explanatory once you watch the video, so just follow the pattern that I'm doing. Now I'm going in with my P. Louise base. This base is in the shade Rumor 3. And this is what I'm going to use to cut my crease. You're going to take a clean brush and pat it on the crease to make sure that you take off any extra base that may be left on there. You don't want to leave that because it will make your eyeshadow cakey. And we don't like cakey unless it's on a plate. So since I didn't have a white base, I'm going to take this white eyeshadow by MAC and I'm going to put it on top of the crease that I cut because I want the silver that I'm going to use or the gray to pop. So if you have any kind of white, it doesn't matter what it is, or if you have a white base, use it. After I'm done placing the white, I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and going over that just to make sure I don't have any fallout or loose powder left on my eye. I'm going in with that same gray color that I used for my transition, and I'm going to put it right here in the middle towards the outer V and blend those two colors together, the black and the gray. But you still want the gray to pop, but you don't want that line of demarcation, so just make sure that you blend it very well. So that's what you're going to see me doing over and over until I feel like it's blended properly. Now that I have that done, I'm going in with my box of crayons by Crayon Case, and I'm going to use this silver right here at the bottom and put over that white on my crease. Once I'm finished that, I always like to go back with that same brush that I used to do my outer V, and I just like to go over it to make sure that I didn't lose the color in the transition. Y'all know me and fake lashes do not get along, so right now I'm just using this mascara by Estee Lauder called Lash Envy, and if y'all look closely, you can see how much it makes my lashes pop. My lashes are so short, so I'm glad that it helped a little bit. I'm removing the tape, and now I'm going to start putting my foundation on. This foundation is by Covergirl, the Queen Latifah line, and I can't remember what's the name of the shade, so I'm going to leave everything in the description below. This lighter shade that I'm going with to make my highlight pop is also by Queen Latifah, and I will also leave that in the description below. I have my foundation blended now, so now I'm going to go in with this bronzer by E.L.F. OMG, I love this stuff. This is called 3D Under Eye Studio Fix, and it's by E.L.F. And when I tell y'all it makes a difference, just watch. I love this stuff. So I'm going to put it on like I'm baking. I'm not going to wipe it off. I'm just going to put it on under there and then let it bake for a while and then come back to it. Time to watch me blush. I'm going in right here with the shade Hot Cocoa. I always go back in with my foundation brush after I blush because sometimes the blush can be so strong and the foundation brush helps balance that. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Hustle and Glow highlighter. Y'all, I love this stuff. The highlight is so beautiful. Do y'all see that? This was inexpensive. I got it from Walgreens for $7.99. I would definitely recommend this. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm finished my highlight, so now I'm going back in and I'm going to brush off that Studio Fix that I put up under my eye and blend it in. I'm sorry, I had to put this in slow motion. Do y'all see that highlight and that blush, how it blends well together? OMG, it is beautiful. I'm pretty much finished now. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. Now it's time to finish off my look. I'm going in with some lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with this red gloss. It's like a lip stain by Sephora. This is the beautiful lip stain I was talking about. I have no idea what the name is for it, but all you gotta do is when you go in Sephora, ask them where their own line of lip stains are, and I'm pretty sure you'll find it. Lastly, I'm going in with this beautiful glittery lip gloss by Wet n Wild. It has like a little pink tint to it, so it's perfect. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. This was my twist on 50 Shades of Grey. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this video, even though at parts of the time I look like the crazy lady. That's the only thing I hate about doing makeup. It's like for a split second, a minute or two, you look like the crazy lady, but it always end up coming together perfectly. I think it was a great choice. It's for anybody who's going on date night. It's like a nighttime look in my opinion. I love it, especially with the sexy red lip. That just puts the icing on the cake. So I'm thankful for you guys watching. I hope you love this video, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.